How to fix forgotten Messenger pin code. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Messenger account. Once logged in, tap on the three dashboard option available at the top left corner of your screen, then navigate to the settings in privacy. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down, then tap on the privacy and security option available there. Once inside the privacy and security, you can scroll down and look for the encrypted chat option available. It is labeled as end-to-end chats. Simply tap on it. Then tap on the message storage option available at the top. Now tap on the pin option available there and create your pin. Here I am keeping the easy pin for me to remember it easily. So make sure you do the same. Now once done, that is it. Now if you want to reset this and if you have forgotten this, then tap on it again, tap on the message storage, then tap on the reset pin option available there, then reset this pin, and again make sure to keep the one that you don't forget easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.